Good afternoon. It's July 31st, 2024. And I just wanted to look at the monthly chart real quick because it's the end of the month, um, the last day of the month. So it looks like we're going to close up um, a bullish doji. I would imagine that let's look at what the opening price probably is. So opening price is about 55.32, and so we opened right at that, or we closed yesterday right at that level, and so the bulls just they powered through that so that it wouldn't close a bear doji. And it's still, we might get 100-point sell-off, but that's probably not going to happen. So, right, 55, 59. Yeah. 55.33. Hold on one second. Did I say that incorrectly? Did we? Oh. Okay, no, so never mind. Yesterday we closed about 100 points below that, 54. Yeah, so yesterday we were all the way down here. Okay. So the bulls really turned this thing around. So here's a look at what we've been looking at the past few days. We had this bear channel. Yesterday we got confirmation of the bear channel, but we formed this double bottom at the midline, and the bulls took this out. And so today we had a really strong rally. And so in the overnight, we had this tight bull channel around 5:30 is right here. We get these two dojis. You could still buy in there. It's right at the trend line. But you would want to trail your stop. So then we finally get the break. This is the 2600 tick chart, by the way. We get the break, and you get a two-legged pullback, and then it goes higher. So let's see. Is there anything you could take in here? This looks like one leg, so I think you want to be careful here. Boom, boom. This one's tempting. I would say this is tempting because we're now making higher lows. And really, I would, with how strong the move up was, I would consider these. Because the bias is up. This one's tough, because I think you could get another leg down, so I would sit and wait there. And then you're just at the highs, so it's a little tough. We go sideways here, a lot of overlap, sell off. Boom, the buying comes back in. This is right before a news item, I believe. Time 10:42. Oh, never mind. Yeah, this is right before the 11 o'clock news item. So you should be sitting tight there anyway. We break out, the breakout fails, and then it continues higher. And then we top out, sell off, bounce. So this chart, not a whole lot to buy. Let's take a look here. The 1300 tick chart. So again, you get this two-legged correction, bounce. I would take any of these, like this one, this one. Plenty of ways to get in the channel in here. Let's move forward to us like topping out. So you could have had these highs, dragged it down here, it bounces here, but this is right before the news item, so I think you gotta wait. Here you get this bounce. They trap. This is tough. I like this one because they trap the bears on this big bear bar. It bounces, and then you get a higher low right there. So I like that because of how what the bias is like today. And then you get a bull breakout of a bull channel. So, look for that measured move, and it fails. So, you know, um, when we're going sideways here, maybe you get out below this bear bar. You would definitely have to get out when you get these three big bear bars closing on their low. And this one's pretty tempting. I just don't think you want to take this on a day like today because of the bias. If that closed better for you, I would say go for it. It looks like a double test. It's a second entry short. It's at the high of that channel. Turns out to be a really good move. This one, for sure, I like that one. Second entry short. And then, so we got an overshoot. That usually leads to a break. We got the break here. It bounces, finds support, and goes higher. Over here, I say go for it right there. Second entry long. And we're just going sideways at this point, so you do got to be careful. But yeah, that's how I saw it today. So look at the daily chart. That looks like the EMA is creating a bit of a tail here. But that's what it looks like, a big bull bar. So we'll see what happens in the coming days and weeks. Anyway, hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.